Today, castor oil is becoming increasingly popular as people look for natural alternatives to enhance their health and well-being. Whether you are seeking relief from inflammation, aiming to enhance your hair growth, or simply curious about natural remedies, castor oil might just hold the key to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's delve deeper into the wonders of this versatile oil and discover how it can become a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Castor oil is a treasure trove of beneficial compounds, most notably resinolic acid. This unique fatty acid is the secret behind castor oil's remarkable healing properties. It boasts powerful anti-inflammatory effects, making it a sought-after natural remedy for joint pain, muscle soreness, and skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. But the benefits don't stop there. Castor oil is also known to promote hair growth, strengthen nails, and moisturize the skin. It can help reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks, and even alleviate constipation. The list goes on. When applied topically, castor oil penetrates deeply into the skin, delivering its therapeutic properties directly to the source of discomfort. It can be massaged onto sore muscles, used as a hot oil treatment for hair, or applied to the skin to soothe irritation. Whether you are dealing with a specific ailment or simply looking to enhance your overall well-being, castor oil offers a natural and effective solution. Now that you are acquainted with the remarkable benefits of castor oil, you are probably wondering how to incorporate it in your wellness routine. Castor oil is incredibly versatile and can be used in several ways. For topical application, a small amount goes a long way. Warm the oil between your palms and gently massage it into the affected area. For hair treatments, apply castor oil to your roots and massage it in. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before shampooing. For constipation relief, a teaspoon taken orally is usually sufficient. Consult your healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your routine. Many studies have shown castor oil is a true gift, offering relief and healing joint pain and inflammation. Due to its anti-inflammatory and pain-reducing properties, studies have explored the use of topical castor oil for joint pain and arthritis. In a study of women with moderate to severe knee arthritis pain, daily castor oil application followed by 5 to 10 minutes application of heat were found to reduce pain significantly. After 8 days of treatment, none of the women reported severe pain, with 76% reporting only mild pain. Castor oil also improves sleep. Insomnia is not a new issue, but the stressed and constant exposure to blue screens in our modern lives appear to have made sleep problems more common. Many people turn to sleep pills, but natural options may be safer, especially over longer periods. The consumption or topical application of castor oil may help with relaxation, which can improve sleep. Castor oil boosts hair and eyelash length. Packed with resinolic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, castor oil nourishes hair follicles and supports healthy, vibrant hair growth. This oil can be used regularly for gradual improvement in hair length and quality. In addition, castor oil can also be applied to eyelashes. Its nourishing properties enhance lash thickness and length, leading to fuller, longer lashes. A small amount applied daily using a clean mascara brush can show noticeable results over time. Castor oil, with its rich history and remarkable healing properties, stands as a testament to the power of natural remedies. Whether you are seeking relief from inflammation, aiming to enhance your hair growth, or simply embracing a holistic approach to health, castor oil is a versatile and valuable addition to your wellness arsenal. So, why not give it a try? Embrace the power of castor oil and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Now, let's discuss side effects and precautions of castor oil. When using castor oil, be aware of potential side effects. You may experience dizziness, abdominal cramping, bloating, and diarrhea. There is also a chance of nausea and vomiting, especially if you ingest too much. To avoid straining, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your routine. They can recommend the appropriate usage and dosage. Although rare, some people develop allergic reaction to castor oil. Symptoms might include itching, swelling, or redness. If you notice any of these reactions, discontinue use immediately and seek medical advice. Remember that it is crucial to weigh the safety issues and potential benefits of using castor oil. Consider your personal health needs and always talk to a healthcare professional for guidance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And share this video with friends or family who might benefit from it too. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, stay healthy and stay positive.